Okay, this is 90 feet. The first pole is 60 feet. You got a 15 and a 14. The good news is taking off this one extension gives you almost a 50-foot pole by itself. And then the 60-foot extension, the extensions go on the bottom. The pole itself is pretty light, and the top section's carbon fiber, and the bottom section's Kevlar and carbon fiber. And if you're working this pole, my recommend is you lower the top sections. That's where you get most of your bend, unless you absolutely need it, and add more sections to the bottom, because these sections are still light. So you're looking at the 60-foot pole. It's probably 8, 10, 12, add a brush. So no more than 14, 15 pounds for the whole 90-foot pole. And I have another one of these if you need it. This is the younger system with the double cart, and it works fine. We had it working at the show, 600 TDS. It was getting it down to 25. So the system's all tested. It's a sweet system, and I got another tank. So this is 2475. The pole, I'm still figuring it out. Probably around 2475. So you're looking around 5,000, and you get a pole, you get a brush, you get this whole RO system and the DI system, and I pay off a credit card. That's the deal. Phil.